Hi TRS students, welcome to the Spring 2023 semester. This video is your first week. Before you begin, I want you to watch this video on how the course will be organized. It will be very helpful for you to understand how the course is organized before you begin the class. As I mentioned in the course organizational video, make sure you email me throughout the semester by using the email function in Brightspace right here. Okay, this keeps all of my emails located within Brightspace itself. It makes things very convenient for me. That way I know what class you're in, and I teach many classes, so keeping that organized is extremely important for me. So again, email me through the Brightspace email function up here. Okay. Also, I want you to know to just work through the course 1 week at a time. Avoid working ahead. Working ahead tends to get students kind of tripped up because there's a lot of lectures and videos that you need to watch before you complete an assignment. So again, the course unloads and unpacks itself 1 week at a time. Just work through the course 1 week at a time. For the first week, I simply want you to begin. You'll see the course content right here, week 1. Okay, I want you on Tuesday to navigate the course, familiarize yourself with Brightspace. And then for Thursday, I want you to complete learning activity number 1. And that'll be due on Friday. So you click on the Thursday folder. You'll see a video for MLA formatting, a video about learning activities, learning activity number 1 document, a sample learning activity, and the Dropbox. Okay. Your first learning activity is simply summarizing the work you have to do for English 101 and the non-cognitive obstacles you have to face outside of school. Okay? So create a Word document. You'll just answer those questions, save it to a folder or to your computer. Okay? And then upload that in the Dropbox. You'll click the Learning Activity Dropbox, and you'll upload it here. Okay? I will have office hours on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. You'll see the link for that. It will be on Zoom just above this announcement. If you have questions, again, email me through Brightspace. I'm happy to answer.